Welcome to Kai Digital Media, where we empower creators. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a clip to the timeline. One way, very simple, you can just go over here to where your project files are and just simply slide it over to the timeline. And as you see, this video doesn't have any audio, but then you can see that the video works just fine and well. Another way you can do it, actually, believe it or not, is at this image up here. Let's just say for some reason you were playing just to watch the clip over and you just have an instinct to go up instead of go down. Well, that's simple. You can just grab the clip from here and also add it to the timeline. Now, one thing I'm going to do real quick is add a different clip over here just to show that there are some tricks that you can do when adding a clip. So let's just say we wanted to add this clip right here in the middle of these two clips. Well, you can do that by simply just grabbing it and trying to put it there in between the two clips, which is usually difficult. And then also you overwrite the clip that was already there. Instead, what you could do is once you grab the clip over, you press Control. And this means that this line right here with the little flags on it will automatically insert your new clip in between the two clips. As you can see right there, it's inserted there. And if I undo that, you can also, if you want to do it to the beginning, do the same exact thing and then put it in the front. And then as you see, it pushed the timeline back.